Make sure your door handles are washed and cleaned. Watch our video on how to prep your car before installing this. The kit comes with everything you need to complete the project. Spray both of your hands with the install solution until wet. Spray the install area. Spray the door handle PPF on the outside. Peel and spray the inside of the PPF too. Before applying, make sure you have the right orientation. Align the door handle. This product does not wrap around the edges. Take your time, and if it starts getting difficult to move around, spray more install solution. While holding the PPF, gently squeegee from the middle to the sides until you get all of the install solution out. Using a microfiber cloth, wipe down the door handle. Let it dry for at least 24 hours.